StarView Vineyards was founded in 2005. Fast forward to 2013, the owners had it up for sale. My husband, Brett, and I, we got on a plane, came to visit, and fell in love with the place.
I grew up in the wine industry back east in Pennsylvania. I had worked for a winery and vineyard for 16 years and learned everything from the ground up. So we said, let's try and do this for ourselves.
My husband, Brett, and I purchased the business. I get to manage the employees, book events, and he's the winemaker. He's also the vineyard manager.
We have 42 acres of property that we grow our own grapes on, and we produce 100% of our own wine.
We have everything from dry to sweet wines for every palate. I'd say some of our more notable ones would be our estate-grown vignoles, our Moonlight White, which is like a Moscato.
The red blends and some of the dry white wines and dry rosé tends to be the favorites.
When people come out to StarView, they can enjoy a wine tasting of our award-winning wines. They can sit on the deck and also order food from us.
On a weekly basis, we have live music.
So it's kind of like a party here every weekend.
Illinois is a unique place for our vineyard. Illinois produces high-quality grapes to make excellent quality wine.
You don't have to travel far to get here.
They get to experience a great time with friends and family, have great wine while they're here, and enjoy the entire experience.
There is a lot of pride being a part of the Illinois Made program.
To have a handcrafted product that we can say was made here in Illinois, produced 100% on our property, is a great accomplishment.
It just shows that all of our hard work has really paid off and people recognize that.